Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show how you can set up your Shopify payments. So to set up your Shopify payments you need a Visa card, PayPal account or a manual payment method like Western Union or BTC, or you can choose any method of payment that you want. So to set up you you have to go to your settings. May I tell you, you have to buy a plan. I am using a trial plan for the video. You can just choose a plan. In my country it's only 20 rupee. In USA it's about $1, $1 3 month. You can just pay a freaking $1 and you can get a 3 month subscription. You can take this advanced one. Okay, like choose this advanced one, and then you have to pay for year or month. You can just pay for a monthly subscription, it would be better. You have to add your address, then you have to add a payment method. You can add a PayPal account or you can add a card. So I was telling how you can set up your payment method. First you have to do this. Then second it would be very helpful when your customer will pay through direct through your PayPal. Let's go. First you have to click on your settings, then you have to click on your payments. So let me explain you. There are three options in your payments. First is Shopify payment, then additional payment method, Amazon Pay or a PayPal, or third a manual payment method. Let me explain from first. You can use a Shopify payment. Shopify payments you can choose here are cards like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, Diners Club, and you can select Shop Pay also. Card rates apply. You can use a wallet, Apple Pay, Meta Pay. Apple Pay is getting now famous. You can use this, or you can pay a GPay, Google Pay, or you can use a Meta Pay if you have payouts statement distributor. If a bank if you check your passbook, then it would tell this name, or you can change this also by you can like need change this also. Let us say it's to money. You can save as a money, or check out the payment. Like you can set every day, every business day, or you can set like every month, like every month on 31st. You can select as it will be automatically directed with your account in your Shopify to your account. You can just automatically decline charges as CVV verification, or decline charges that fails AVS postal code verification. You can tick if you want. For this you can add a customer billing statement. You can add the your phone number, and you can just on this also, if the Shopify test Shopify payment setup and configuration to simulate a successful or failed transaction. You can just test if you want. If you click on this, you can read this page. Test mode. About test mode, first is this. I am discarding this. So let's go to next option. Next option is a additional payment method. You can activate your PayPal or Amazon Pay. To activate your PayPal, you have to just click on this, activate PayPal. Then you have to click on this, express checkout. You have to just log in with your PayPal. If you click here, it will be take us some time. You have to add your mail, connect your account with your Shopify. You do next, then it will ask a password, your PayPal. You can add your account, so you can do here. It will automatically show your transaction fee, and it will show all things. Status, I'm not adding, it is inactive. And you can also add Amazon Pay also. You can just click on this, activate Amazon Pay. You have to activate your Amazon Pay. Then you have to register as a merchant. You have to select your country, then you have to do all the verification, then it will be done. So Let's go to next, manual method. So what is a manual method? Manual method that is outside from your store that you will take from your customer. You can take a COD, cash on delivery. If you want to take, you can take COD from your delivery boy, like the product, where the product will be delivered, the customer will pay. So go to next, like you can set a money order. You can set money order. You can set a customized payment. Then you can set a bank deposit. You can add your bank detail and payment instructions. Then you can active this, and then finally create a custom payment. Custom payment means you can add like BTC, coin, or you can add Ethereum or anything. Like to this, you can use Trust Wallet, or you can use Binance, or you can use MetaMask also. That is also good. You can use MetaMask. It's also a very good site. So these are the 3 payment methods that you can add in your Shopify. So if you find the video helpful, then please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.